Hello everyone, hope you all are safe and sound. I am Kabir Sharma and I am 8 years old. I study in DPS Dwarka of class 3C. In this current time, I decided to take an online program with GoGlobalWays and I make a really cool project. I use a software called Pictoblox. I make a coronavirus quiz game. In this project, I use a block called if. It when we write right answer, the coronavirus will be small. When we write wrong answer, the coronavirus will be big. Please come and I show you. Yeah.
Hi, I am coronavirus.
Bye bye.
Yeah, Kabir, right answer there. Virus is asking you, do you wash your hands?
Yes. Last. Bye bye.
Okay, great. Can we all unmute ourselves and have a round of applause for Kabir? Please unmute yourself, everyone. And a clapping for Kabir. Okay, great, great. Good job, Kabir. Good job.